Hey everyone, this is William for Elite Swing Trader, and in this video I want to record a short video as I have received quite a number of requests on how to install the Elite Swing Trader on a MacBook or MacBook Pro. Fortunately, I am using a MacBook, so I am well versed in installing MT4 indicators into MacBooks. So let's start, okay? First of all, let's make sure that you see this and download all the files needed. And for Elite Swing Trader, the indicator, the three main files are Elite Swing Trader _black TPL, white TPL, and Elite Swing Trader.ex4. So let's first copy. Okay, just copy these three items, and then let's move to applications. Okay, once you're in applications, look for your broker, and in this case I'm going to be using Pepperstone. So let me search for Pepperstone. Hold on. Okay, so I see Pepperstone here, and this is the broker I'm using to install the Elite Swing Trader. Next, I will have to open up and just click on show package content. Okay, once you click on show package content, go to drive C, double click on program files, and double click on Pepperstone. Here you are on the folders of the MT4 terminal. In this case for me is Pepperstone. Next, I will just paste all my files that I've copied earlier. The TPL file, drag and drop it into the template folder. As for the Elite Swing Trader EX4, drag into MQL4, and with MQL4 you drag it into indicator. And when you have put the TPL files into templates and the EX4 into indicator, the job here is done. So I'm going to go ahead and close this and now launch the MT4 terminal. So once you have pasted the respective files, the TPL into the template folder and the EX4 into the indicator folder, it's time to launch your MT4 trading terminal. And once you have launched it, come over to this button right here. It's the template shortcut button, and click load template and look for Elite Swing Trader _black if you want a black background, and this is how it looks. Okay, and again I just want to remind you, the best time frame for the Elite Swing Trader is the H4 and the D1 time frame. Even the weekly time frame is good, but I prefer the daily time frame. Okay, so this is how my chart would look like. If you want the white background, then click load and come choose the Elite Swing Trader _white background, and this is how it looks. Okay, and with this I just want to show you in this quick video how to install the MT4 indicator into a MacBook Pro. And with this is William signing off until the next video. Good luck in using the Elite Swing Trader. Bye bye.